idea who I am? I am a celebrity. I am above the law.
Yeah, that's right. He's above the law.
Save it for the judge. In the meantime, you each get one call.
Mom, yeah, it's me. Listen, I'm in the joint and you need to bail me out before the media gets wind of this. What's the bail amount? $10,000. What do you mean it's going to take you a few days to put that kind of money together?
Clock's ticking.
Give me a minute! Well, do it as fast as you can.
Yes, hello? I would like to order a large pepperoni pizza, please.
Ay, I can't believe this.
Hey, Crusoe, can I borrow $20? I ordered some Papa John's.
What? No. Why would you?
I'll get Domino's next time. Chill.
Why didn't you call your lawyer or something? This is all your fault anyway.
Actually, it was your idea.
These neighbors of ours hate dogs. You should go leave a stinky poop on their doorstep.
Haha, oh yes, this will be hilarious.
Yeah, but you have to admit, you thought it was a good idea.
I can't wait to see their faces.
Good one, Oak. Now let's skedaddle. Oh, crap.
Oh, you have to go too?
I saw what you guys did back there.
This is awesome. I've never been in the back of a police car before.
This is terrible. What if someone sees me? I've been trying to propagate a good boy image ever since the headlines criticized my manners with Paisley.
Propagate sounds like plopagate.
Hey, guard. Do we get a second bed for my brother here?
Heck no.
Is this at least a Tempur-Pedic?
No.
Well, that's the last straw. Oakley, we're busting out of here.
I was just starting to get used to it.
Well, that didn't work. We need a better plan.
Hey, why is my shirt so tight and yours isn't?
Oakley, that's it. You're a genius. We'll use the laundry.
No, I'd be worried it would shrink even more.
No, we'll use it to escape.
Dirty laundry. Let's go.
Don't forget to come back to bust me out. Sounds like things are going well. Well, that was a failure.
Not quite.
You got the keys? How on earth did you manage that?
I've snuck a lot of snacks in my day.
Where did you hide them?
Well, let's just say it was the same part of me that got us into this mess in the first place.
Ah,
My butt.
I got it. Thanks.
Anyway, listen, I've got a perfect plan. We'll use the keys to open the door, where we'll nick that jackhammer in the corner over there, we'll bring it back in here, break through the concrete, and then tunnel our way out of here.
Oakley, that is the best idea you have had yet. I mean, we could easily just walk out the door, but come on. I love digging.
Me too. I wouldn't want to escape any other way.
Quick, shh.
You think there's any pizza left?
This is going to be noisy.
Gosh darn it. Who's making all that racket in here?
Oh, we're just doing doing a little redecorating. Can't decide if the bathroom would look better in the left corner or the right.
I'm telling you the right. It's more feng shui.
Since you're here, maybe you could just bring us some paint? I'm thinking a nice bacon brown would look great in here.
Okay, he's gone. All right, let's make a break for it. This way, Oakley. I see the light up ahead.
I'm coming.
Where do you guys think you're going? You guys are still on timeout since one of you decided to poop in the hallway.
Okay, guys, let's go.